Now another function that we create is a wish me function to make it more formal, like greeting the user or asking for commands. So I will go here under my date function, and here I will say define wish me function. I first want it to welcome the user. So I will say speak, and I will say welcome back Mac. Now you can write your own name here if you want, or you can simply remove the name and say welcome back. Now the next thing I want it to do is tell me the time. So I will call the time function here, and then I want it to say date. So both of our function have been called. Now the next thing I want it to do is, depending upon the time, I want it to say good night, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So for this, the only thing that matters is the hour. So I will create a new variable here, and I will call it hour, and I will take it equal to datetime dot datetime dot now, and then I will say dot hour. Now our r is stored in this variable called r. And the next thing I will do is define the if else conditions. Now the thing you must understand here is that the default time format for our datetime library is 24-hour clock. So I will go here and I will define the if else conditions. So as long as the time is in between 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock, I want it to say good morning. So I will say if hour is greater than or equal to 6 and hour is less than 12, we want it to say good morning. So I will say speak good morning sir. Now for our next condition I will say else if hour is greater than or equal to 12 and hour is less than 18, 6 o'clock in the evening. So I will say in this condition speak good afternoon sir. So now for the next condition, which is good evening sir, we will simply go here and say else if hour is greater than equal to 18 but less than equal to, let's say, 21. For this condition we can call speak function and make it say good evening sir. Now the only condition that remains is good night, as this is our last resort. So I will say else speak good night sir. Now all of our if else conditions has been set, so we can go here and outside of this else condition I will call the speak function again, and I will say Jarvis at your service, please tell me how can I help you. Now to call this function in our main function I will go here. Before the forever loop I will simply call the wish me function here, and I will save it. Now if I run this file,
Welcome back, Mac. The current time is 1 hour 7 minutes and 54 seconds. The current time is 1 hour 7 minutes and 58 seconds. 26/8/2021. Good night, sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Jarvis, tell me the time.
The current time is 1 hour 8 minutes and 24 seconds. The current time is 1 hour 8 minutes and 29 seconds.
Jarvis, tell me the date.
26/8/2021.
So you can see that it is working fine.